Managing your finances doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, some of the most impactful money-saving moves can be done in an hour or less. Yes, you read that right. Just 60 minutes could put you on the path to financial peace of mind. But here's where it gets interesting. Many people overlook these simple yet powerful strategies because they seem too good to be true. Let's dive into 8 financial fixes that can transform your money habits, backed by expert advice and real-world examples. 1. Decode your credit report. The hidden money drain. Credit reports can feel like financial horror stories, but ignoring them could cost you dearly. Did you know nearly half of all credit reports contain errors? That's right, mistakes that could tank your credit score. Ted Rossman, a senior industry analyst at Bankrate, urges everyone to check their reports regularly. Thanks to annualcreditreport.com, it's free and easier than ever. As you review, look for red flags like unfamiliar accounts, incorrect names, or outdated addresses. Spot something odd? Dispute it immediately with the credit bureaus or the account holder. It's a small step that could save you from financial headaches down the road. 2. Freeze your credit. The ultimate identity theft shield. Identity theft is a growing concern, but there's a simple way to fortify your defenses. Freeze your credit. This isn't just a suggestion. It's one of the most proactive steps you can take to protect yourself. Rossman explains, it locks the bad guys out. The process is quick, free, and can be done online. US PERG even offers a step-by-step guide to make it foolproof. But here's the controversial part. Some argue that freezing your credit is overkill. What do you think? Is it a necessary precaution or an unnecessary hassle? Let's debate in the comments. 3. Zero-APR credit cards. The debt-busting secret. Struggling with credit card debt? Ironically, the solution might be another credit card, a zero-APR one. These cards allow you to transfer high-interest debt and pay it off interest-free for up to 21 months. It's like hitting the pause button on your debt. Rossman calls it a huge tailwind for your finances. But beware, not everyone qualifies, especially those with lower credit scores. Applying takes minutes, but the impact could last for years. Have you tried this strategy? Share your experience below. 4. High-yield savings accounts, where your money works harder. Your savings deserve better than a measly 1% interest rate. Here's a shocking fact. Over half of savers are earning less than 3% annually. Sam Torb from NerdWallet advises shopping around for high-yield accounts offering 3.5% to 4%. Online banks often lead the pack, but inertia keeps many stuck in low-earning accounts. Take an hour to compare options and switch. Your future self will thank you. But here's a question. Are high-yield accounts worth the hassle of switching banks? Weigh in below. 5. Auto insurance discounts. Don't renew without this step. Auto insurance rates are soaring, with a projected 7.5% increase in 2025. Before you renew, ask yourself, are you leaving money on the table? Daniel Bortz from AARP recommends collecting quotes from comparison sites like Insurify, Policygenius, and the Zebra. But don't just compare prices. Ensure you're getting the same coverage limits and deductibles. And this is the part most people miss. Tweaking your policy, like raising your deductible or dropping collision coverage on older cars, can save you hundreds. What's your best insurance saving hack? Share it with us. 6. Unclaimed assets. Your hidden treasure trove. Millions of Americans are sitting on unclaimed cash, old bank accounts, forgotten paychecks, even lost 401(k)s. Yes, you could be richer than you think. Websites like Missing Money and the National Registry of Unclaimed Retirement Benefits make it easy to search for your forgotten funds. It's like a financial scavenger hunt, and the prize is real money. Have you ever found unclaimed assets? Tell us your story. 7. Subscription audits. Stop paying for what you don't use. The average American has 12 media subscriptions, and many are paying for services they've forgotten about. That's $200 wasted annually, according to a CNET survey. Take a few minutes to review your accounts and cancel unused subscriptions. It's a small effort with a big payoff. But here's a thought. Are subscription services worth the convenience, even if we don't use them fully? Let's discuss. 8. Boost your 401k contributions. Invest in your future self. Retirement savings are at an all-time high, but most of us could still do more. The 2025 maximum 401k contribution is $23,500. Are you maximizing your potential? Rossman suggests increasing your contribution by just 1%. You probably won't even miss the money, he says. It's a gradual approach that adds up over time. But here's the controversial question. Is it better to save more for retirement or invest in immediate financial goals? Share your priorities in the comments. These 8 fixes are quick, actionable, and packed with potential. But remember, the real power lies in taking that first step. Which one will you tackle first? Let us know, and don't forget to join the conversation on the points that sparked debate. Your financial future is worth it.